Most creators spend more time figuring out the workflow than making the video. Tool after tool, tab after tab, and at the end of it, the video still looks rushed. I went looking for something simpler. 2 tools, both free. A finished video ad, start to finish. Here's what I found. NotebookLM becomes your copywriter. You load it with real ad scripting sources, give it your brand inputs, and it writes a complete 30-second script built around your product, not a template. A second NotebookLM project turns that script into a scene-by-scene visual plan. Then a tool from Google produces the finished video. Visuals, voiceover, music. All free. One thing worth saying up front. This only works because the inputs are yours. Your tagline, your audience, your brand. That's what makes it monetizable, and what makes it not look like every other AI ad you've seen. Open NotebookLM and create a new project. Once the project is open, leave it in the background. We have one thing to do before we touch it. Open Google in a new tab and search Video Ad Scripting Tips. What you're looking for is credible, well-written content about how effective ads are structured. Marketing blogs, copywriting guides, YouTube ad breakdowns, direct response frameworks. Copy the URL of each solid result and paste it directly into NotebookLM. Do this for 5 to 10 sources. You don't need to read all of them. NotebookLM will. Once your URLs are loaded, click Next and wait for the sources to finish processing. What you now have is a notebook loaded with professional ad scripting knowledge. But there's one more step before we actually use it. Because right now, NotebookLM has no idea what job we need it to do. Click the settings icon inside your notebook. Go to Chat, then select Custom. You'll see a text area. Paste in the Video Ad Script Writer configuration prompt, which you can see on your screen right now. Here's what this actually does. It gives NotebookLM a very specific professional identity. Instead of behaving like a general research assistant, it now thinks like a direct response ad copywriter. It knows the 4-part structure of a 30-second ad: hook, problem, solution, call to action. And critically, it draws its scripting techniques from the sources you just loaded. Not from generic AI training, from the specific material you chose. Go to the Chat tab and paste in the master scripting prompt, which you can see on your screen. This prompt does something important before writing a single word. It asks you 3 questions: your brand name, your brand tagline, and your target audience. These 3 answers are what personalize the output. Without them, you'd get a generic ad. With them, you get a script built around a specific person, a specific product, and a specific problem. This is also where the demonetization safety comes from. Because the script is built on your real brand information, your actual name, your actual audience, your actual product, there's no recycled, off-brand, or policy-risky content. Everything it generates is grounded in what you gave it. For this example, I'll answer with a fictional coffee brand. Brand name, Nova Brew. Brand tagline, Own Your Morning. Target audience, busy professionals aged 25 to 40 with energy crashes before noon. Press enter. Watch what comes back. Here's the result. Let me read the beginning. Your 11 a.m. energy crash is stealing your absolute best hours. You power through the early meetings, but by noon, your focus is completely gone. The hook doesn't open with the product name. It opens with the moment the target audience recognizes from their own morning. That's what stops the scroll. The body sets up the problem, introduces Nova Brew as the answer, and closes with a clean CTA. Under 90 words. Not a single wasted line. This is not generic AI output. This is a script shaped by professional scripting sources and the exact brand information you provided. Quick pause. If you're building faceless videos and want a complete production system, I just released the Faceless YouTube Engine. It's a step-by-step guide with checklists and homework that walks you through the entire video creation process, from zero to first published video, including a demonetization-safe workflow, so everything you make is built to stay monetized. Whether you're brand new or already making videos and want to go 10 times faster and 10 times better, it's built for both. Link is in the description. Now open a second NotebookLM project. This one is for the visual plan, completely separate from the script project. Same setup process, different purpose. Open Google, search Visual Tips for Ads. Look for articles and guides on ad cinematography, visual storytelling, short-form video composition, and AI video production. Copy 5 good URLs and paste them into the new NotebookLM project. Hit Next and let the sources load. Once sources are loaded, go to Settings, then Chat, then Custom. Paste in the Video Ad Visual Planner configuration prompt, which you can see on your screen now. Save it. This prompt turns NotebookLM into a visual director. It knows how to break a script into scenes, how to write specific text-to-video prompts, and how to keep visual style consistent across a short-form ad. Same logic as before, grounded in the sources you loaded, not generic AI defaults. Go to the Chat tab, paste in the Visual Planner prompt, and then paste the full NotebookLM script directly below it. Press Enter. Here's the visual plan. 6 scenes. Each one has a voiceover line of 20 words or fewer. Notice how short each line is. That's intentional. This is an ad. In a 30-second video, scenes move every 5 seconds. If a voiceover line runs long, the visual can't keep up. Keeping each line tight is what makes the audio and the visuals feel synced rather than mismatched. And every scene comes with a text-to-video prompt that's ready to paste directly into a video generator. No editing, no rewriting, just copy it in and generate. Open Google Vids and create a new project. You'll be building this scene by scene using the visual plan from NotebookLM, so keep both windows open side by side. Every scene has its own prompt ready to go. This part moves fast. For the first scene, copy the text-to-video prompt from scene 1 of your visual plan and paste it into Google Vids text-to-video prompt section. This is where the specificity of your prompt pays off. The more detail in the description, the more accurate the output. The visual plan from NotebookLM was already written for this purpose, so the prompts are ready to drop straight in. Let it generate. Depending on your connection, this takes 10 to 20 seconds. That's scene 1. Visually clean and exactly what the prompt described. Now here's something important for the remaining scenes. Before generating scene 2, take a screenshot of scene 1. Just grab a screenshot of the preview frame. When you open the video generator for scene 2, upload that screenshot alongside the text-to-video prompt. This keeps the character consistent across scenes. Let's see the second scene now. Very good. It is like continuation of scene 1. I will apply the same method for scenes 3 through 6. Always screenshot the previous scene and upload it with the next prompt. This is what makes the final video look like a produced ad instead of a random collection of AI clips. Before we make the final edits and see the finished video, I wanted to share something quickly. My faceless YouTube engine guide walks you through the complete 9-stage production pipeline, built specifically for demonetization-safe faceless videos. Every chapter has a checklist, homework, and a real sample video built from scratch so you can follow every step. Already making videos? This will 10 times your speed and quality. Brand new? You'll have your first video done by the end. Link in the description. With your scenes in place, go to the voiceover section. Add the voiceover for each scene individually. Paste in the exact line from your visual plan for that scene. The reason this works without any syncing adjustments is because the voiceover was written to fit the scene duration from the start. When NotebookLM built the visual plan, it trimmed each line to match. So everything lands where it should, with no manual timing work. Go to the music section. In the search or prompt field, type background instrumental pop music. For something like NotebookLM, upbeat, clean, morning energy, you want something light and forward-moving without pulling focus away from the voiceover. The music should sit underneath everything, not compete with it. Add transitions between your scenes. Keep them short and clean. A simple cut or quick fade works best for ad format. Anything too stylized will slow the pacing down and make it feel less like an ad and more like a content video. The whole package should feel tight from the first frame to the last. Once transitions are set, hit the arrow icon on top right and then download your video. Let's see the result together.
Your 11 a.m. energy crash is stealing your absolute best hours.
You power through the early meetings, but by noon, your focus is completely gone. You need sustained drive, not another cheap coffee spike that leaves you crashing at your desk. Nova Brew changes the game. Our formula delivers clean, steady focus without the midday slump. It is the exact professional-grade fuel your demanding workday requires. Click below to claim your first bag today. Own your morning with Nova Brew.
There it is, a complete 30-second ad video, scripted and visually planned with NotebookLM and produced with Google Vids. The entire workflow is free. Now you can build your own ad video engine and start creating personalized ad videos. If you want more NotebookLM workflows, write "continue" in the comments. That tells me exactly what to make next. And if this workflow opens something up for you, if you're thinking about what else is possible with faceless content creation, the video on your screen breaks down a completely different method. Same idea, but completely different execution. Take a second to check it out, compare both approaches, and pick the one that fits your channel best. Happy creating!